Girl, I know my life forget you. I just changed my pocket, wasn't enough. My life forget you. Hi, what's up? So as I said before last time, well, I didn't get to say it because my little sister was there. Um, I have a new song. I'm gonna put it on here, like, next time I make a video. It's probably today again, so, yeah. And, what the heck was I going to say? And, did you hear about the new, 6G? It sounds really cool. Yeah. I don't know. No, okay, so I got dared to do this really weird dare, and I kind of don't want to do it, but I kind of have to. And it's like, it's a bet if I lose, yeah. Okay, well, you'll hear the song on my next video, and I don't want any questions yet because on this video I'll tell you the name. I already have it out. It's called One Wish. Okay. Well, if you go type that in, then you'll find it. Yep. So see ya. Peace.